guys, we're back with our 25 days of Christmas, and I am here cooking today, and V is behind the camera.
Hey guys.
And we're just going to show you a quick lunch idea that we had. And my kids always love to make paninis. I don't eat paninis as much as my kids do, but this is my son's panini maker that he has let me borrow today, and we're going to make ourselves a panini. And you will recognize that this we made a few days ago. This is our tofu spread that my kids love. It's an herb tofu spread, and we're going to put that on instead of
mayo or
something heavier in fats and stuff. So we're going to put this on instead of the mayo. I'm going to put it right on here. And then we have grilled up some tofu is what we're going to add. And I wanted to show you this. We're going to use this sumac, which has kind of a citrusy smell and taste to it. And we just put this and just a little bit of sprinkle of salt on there. And then we stuck it in the air fryer to fry up. And you can see it on there. Doesn't it look nice? And our tofu has a nice crispy top to it, so it won't be too smushy in the panini. And we thought what we would add today would be some onions, but really you could add anything you wanted. If you wanted cucumber, tomato would be a little bit more liquid in there, but you could certainly add tomato. My kids do. But we like onion, and we've got some spinach to add some greens in there. You get the spinach on here. I lost an onion. We're gonna have to stay there because that's real hot. So So I'm gonna add some spinach and a little bit of cilantro on top, because cilantro is just such good flavor. And then I am going to put some of our tofu spread, our herb tofu spread, on the top. And that will help to hold everything together while it's paniniing, pressing, while the panini is being made. So you just set this down on top, and it kind of weights itself down, but it's really hot. And this will only take a minute or two to make.
Okay.
And this has just been cooking for maybe a couple of minutes. It doesn't take long, but you can sneak a peek when you need to if you have a panini press. You can also do this on the stove, like a frying pan. My husband uses a cast iron skillet. He puts a frying pan on the bottom, he just sets it in there and puts the cast iron skillet on top to just
weight down,
do the press, you know what I mean? And then he will flip it and do it on both sides. But you don't get the nice grill marks that you do from an actual press. If I can get it out of here. Oh, it smells good. Man, all those herbs, when you heat them up in the press, you can really smell them. Oh, and that's what it looks like. Can you see it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice and pressed. Let me unplug this so that it's not still hot. Yeah, it's steaming, so it's really hot, but it smells delicious and it looks good. And this is a great quick lunch. So as you're going through the holidays and you don't, you're rushing around, you don't have time to make a big meal, if you keep the spread already made in your refrigerator, then all you have to do is cut up toppings. Cut up some cucumber, some onions, put in some kind of green. You can use kale, you could use collard, or you could use spinach, or even a spring mix. Put it in there, and a couple of slices of bread, some tofu, or if you prefer to use like a tofurkey, those kind of deli slices, vegan deli slices, you could use those as well in something like this.
You can even use like a chickpea spread.
You could, or you could use a hummus. You know, if you buy hummus and have that in your refrigerator, then you would always have that you could use in this. Just quick meals that will be satisfying and hold you over, that don't take a lot of thought, don't take a lot of time, and that your kids are going to enjoy as well. So I hope you've all enjoyed this. Please let us know in the comments down below what you decided to do for your quick meals through the holidays, because I know as a busy mom, and I know V is a busy mom, that it's not always easy to have some kind of big meal ready to go all the time, especially at the holidays when you're visiting family and friends, and you're decorating and you're doing the Christmas things at school and trying to get everything together. It can be a lot. Make sure you join us over on Facebook. We're Kindred Vegans on Facebook, where we have discussions like this. Make sure you check us out on Instagram so you can see what we're eating every day. We're KVegans on Instagram. And make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you all next time. Have a good day.
Bye, guys.